recruits of the NSG.
आइए तालियों के साथ इन हीरोज का स्वागत करें।
How does it feel to be in this uniform?
Excellent. It's a terrific feeling. I wish I had a gun in my hand right now to look like a commando. Commando without any training.
अजीब तैयार हैं बिल्कुल कमांडो यूनिफॉर्म में
Training
आप
training bit Baji is going to do for us.
नहीं, मैं तैयार रहता हूँ हमेशा ही। ट्रेनिंग मैं करते आ रहा हूँ और अभी वैसे हमारी अंदर बात हो रही थी तो मैं आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे तो कह रहे नहीं जस्ट ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। मैं आज कराएंगे आपको ट्रेनिंग, देखते कितना फिट हो
आप इस कमांडो यूनिफॉर्म में वैसे काफी जच रहे हैं।
वेल आई होप मेरे पास ऐसा गुर्दा होता कि मैं कमांडो ज्वाइन कर सकता, पर इट्स नाइस टू वेयर दिस ड्रेस एंड आई एम श्योर कि ये बहुत खुशकिस्मत वालों को मिलती है जिनके पास बहुत
निकल गए।
वो होते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, खुश जिगर, उनको मिलता है ये सब। तो मैं आज का दिन पहनी है, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
You've met all these people. It's just a beginning. What's the overwhelming feeling that you've received from them?
We've had smiles on our faces just now. When we met, we saw the reaction. There were emotional moments also earlier. It was a difficult stage to meet the wives who lost so it was a huge sacrifice, and so it's been a mixed journey so far. Absolutely salute to not only the great Gajendra Singh but also his family, because the family to undergo what they had to. I think it's an
Sometimes
emotional
we say
feeling.
that when a soldier comes out, all that he feels is that once he is no longer, his family is well taken care of, and the nation remembers him in some form or the other.
Yes, I've always said this, and I would always continue to say that they are the real heroes. They are the real life heroes. The other heroes, what you get to see are, you've got these idols where you want to follow their footsteps. They might be sportsmen or film stars or whatnot, but they are the real life heroes. They perform everything real. There are no retakes there. There is no another match there. So whatever happens, it happens there and then, and they have to be on their toes throughout. So it's just something which is beyond our imagination, I think.
बच्चे आप ये मानते हैं कि ना सिर्फ कमांडोज, उनकी वाइफ्स हैं, उनके बच्चे हैं, उनका भी शायद उतना ही बड़ा रोल है, उनका भी जिगर वैसा ही होना चाहिए जैसे उन कमांडोज का?
डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट इजी for wife and kids to see their husbands fighting, कभी बॉर्डर पे या कहीं भी ट्रबल आती है इंडिया में, तो वो हम लोग अपने लिए लड़ते हैं। बहुत से लोग हम अपने लिए लड़ते हैं, पर ये ऐसे लोग हैं जो हमारे लिए लड़ते हैं, ये दूसरों के लिए लड़ते हैं, वो भी अपनी जान पे करते हैं।
Explain to you what all do happen so you can train your cameras accordingly.
It uses 4 1.5 volt batteries, but it can give 1100 watts of output.
One of you, if you like to press the button.
Red button.
Red button?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Now this is the model of the IED that was used in Delhi and Ahmedabad. Now you have the steel balls as the sharpeners inside this. The explosive, there is the ammonium nitrate based compounds is placed like this, and then it was covered. It was placed in such a way that when it blasts, the sharpness and the effect of the blast comes in this direction the most.
Now we will show you how a render safe procedure is done.
dog पहले जाएगा, it will check for the IED. Whenever it smells the explosive, dog will sit there. It means there is an IED with explosive there. Now he gives a signal to the remotely operating vehicle operator. जैसे signal मिल जाता है, operator will start the remotely operating vehicle. It goes towards the IED, picks up the IED. उसको it will go to the total containment vessel, that round type equipment which you find. उसका अंदर डालेगा. उसके बाद उसके बाद the bomb suit man, he will go, he close the container and he will fire it remotely inside the container. So whatever blast takes place, no sharpness will come out. The blast of it will be contained inside the vessel.
Okay.
This is very easy. Yeah, Bhaji, you got to do this.
चढ़ तो जाऊँ
पीछे मत देखना.